voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Samsung's revised Galaxy A lineup was a key growth driver for the company throughout 2019, and it looks like the same will apply to next year. A new leak gives us an early look at the back frame of the Galaxy A51, which reveals an L-shaped setup for the cameras. According to previous speculation, the back will house a quad-camera setup. Some early rumors suggest a 48MP main shooter alongside a 12MP ultra-wide lens, 12MP telephoto shooter and a 5MP depth sensor. It seems to confirm that the Galaxy A51 will come with a 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C port, both of which are not surprising as we saw them on the Galaxy A50 and Galaxy A50s as well. We also expect to see a triple card slot for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card support. The phone bearing the A515F model number packed the Exynos 9611 SoC paired with 4GB RAM and ran on Android 10. The screen should come in at 6.5 inches and will feature a water drop notch cutout for the 32MP selfie camera. There is no word on when the Galaxy A51 will launch, but we expect to see it sometime in early 2020.
And that's it, guys. See you soon with another leak. And before leaving, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are interested in tech leaks and rumors. Thank you for being here.